Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel APM Guide. As a part of our APM MCP server tutorial series, in this video we are going to discuss how to configure Cursor AI with APM MCP server configuration. So we are using the JSON format for this one. Okay, I will explain step-by-step process and what is the exact JSON we need to create to connect our Cursor AI with the Appium-MCP server. Okay, please watch this video till the end. You can understand the how to create the JSON file to configure the Appium-MCP server with Cursor AI. So first of all, you have to open the Cursor AI IDE. So already I explained you how to install the Appium-MCP server and how to install the Cursor IDE. Okay, now we have opened the Cursor IDE here. Now we need to configure here. Okay, and here in the bottom we have setting. Click on the settings. Once you open the Cursor IDE, we have at the bottom we have this setting. Click on this settings here. Once you click on the settings, it opens the settings page. Under left pan, we have the tools and MCPs. Click on this one. So it will open the tools section. Under two sections, we have home MCP servers and team MCP servers. Okay, as we are using our learner or basic license, so it go with the home MCP servers. Click on add custom MCP. Click on this one. Okay, it has opened the JSON here. Okay, so we need to create a JSON format, JSON file where you have to mention all the arguments and environment variables here. So we create a JSON format, JSON file here. So here in the mcp.json, here we have three dots. Click on these three dots here. So it says we will in file explorer. Click on this file explorer. We will in file explorer. So this is the JSON file we need to create. The name of this one is a MCP. Okay, just open this file. So press select this one and click on right click. Right click and we want to edit in the notepad plus plus. Click on that one. Here we write the complete JSON file to connect our Appium MCP server. Okay. So first is the root object. Create a root object. Just close this one. Open the curly braces and close it here. Now we need to write the steps here. So one by one step I will explain here. This is a root object and next is the we need to provide a MCP. Just a minute. I'll just increase the size of this one. How to increase the size? Zoom. I'll zoom it. Okay. For a shortcut for zoom, control number plus. Okay. So control number. Okay. And just zooming it. Okay. Yeah. Now we'll come back to our JSON. We create the JSON here. So MCP. Okay. Servers. Because we are dealing with the MCP servers, just give the MCP servers double quotation, close it here, colon, flower brackets. This is a block and we need to close it also. Okay. Better to close it here. Yeah. So under MCP servers, okay, what exactly this MCP servers contains all the MCP servers here. So we can use it for our other MP servers also. So here we are dealing with the APM MCP servers. We need to provide the APM MCP servers here. Okay, under this MCP servers, I need to create the APM hyphen MCP Okay, double quotation close and colon. Please note that this Appium-MCP, okay, name is not mandatory. You can give any name. Okay, you can give any name here, but better to follow the standard format so that we can know what exactly the our name of the Appium-MCP here. Okay, so follow give this name as Appium-MCP. Okay, so this is the block. Open it and close it here. So in this block, we need to provide the first is a command. In smaller cases, command, close this one and colon. The command we are using here is the the value of the command is npx. Okay, what is npx? To launch the Appium MCP server. Okay, this is the command we are using here, comma, and we have to provide the arguments. Arguments. Okay, here are a couple of arguments here. So square bracket, double quotation, hyphen y, comma, one more comma, we have to give Appium hyphen MCP at the rate of latest, close this one and this one. So we have provided the arguments here. Okay, now next is the environment variable we have to provide. It is the env colon. Okay, and the value at here one more block here. So environment will we provide. So what environment we need to provide? It is the Android home. We need to provide Android home. Just type Android underscore home. So we need to provide the SDK path here. Okay. So we need to provide the path. Okay. So we get the path. Okay. Just open the environment variable here. Edit the system environment variable. Under environment variable, click on this environment variable here. Here we have Android home. Just copy this one. Click on edit and copy this SDK path here. Just it. That's it. Copy and go here. Paste it here. Okay. Okay. We have provided the SDK path. Just change this one into /. So you need to provide the SDK path here. Just save it. Okay. Now, so now our MCP JSON is ready here. Okay. Just save. Just save. Okay, already saved here. Just save once again. Okay. Now we close this notepad plus plus and here our MCP JSON is ready here. Just open once again with the notepad plus plus. So our configuration file which is in a JSON format is ready. Okay. Now close this one. Now open the cursor IDE. Here you can see here. Yeah. If you see here, our configuration file, that is a MCP server, Appium server configuration file, which is in a JSON format is ready here. So we are using component as a MCP servers, and under the MCP servers, we are dealing with the Appium-MCP, and we have provided the command npx. So here, just zoom in on, so that you can see the, just a minute, yeah. Now sliding here. Yeah, if you see the JSON, we have provided the MCP servers. Under this MCP servers, we are dealing with the Appium-MCP. So we have given this block and command. I'm using the npx arguments -y APM-MCP address of latest environment variable. I am providing the Android underscore home, and I am providing the SDK path here. So our MCP JSON is ready here. Okay, just close that one and just a minute. Okay, just close this one, and in next video I'll show how to run this JSON with our Curzon IDE, and I'll show a demo that one. Okay, for this video we are just concentrating on creating the JSON file which you can able to use to connect our Cursor IDE with our Appium MCP server. Okay, so this JSON file I'm passing in the GitHub. Okay, from our GitHub you can get this JSON file. Okay, so I'll provide the GitHub link in our description. Please get the JSON from the GitHub. Okay, this is all about the configuration of the Appium MCP server in the JSON format with our Curzon IDE here. Okay. If you like this video, please click on like button, subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.